What's up guys? Today to share with you I have some outdoor lights. I thought I should install something on the green belt of my house like outdoor, and I wanted to try something smart and new because smartness is the theme of this channel. So I have these outdoor lights, 6 units of these outdoor lights made by Lumary. Lumary is a brand that makes smart tech and smart home gadgets. They have a large portfolio of smart products, including smart lighting. So I have ordered these smart outdoor lights. There's six in total, and they are connected with each other. And total length is 56 feet. So 56 feet in total that you can extend these lights. These are totally smart. They comes with a remote control. You can control them with the smart app as well, and there are a bunch of other functionality. So let me first show you what's inside it. We have the remote control here. Very good. You can control it with remote. These are lights clips that will go inside the ground. Total 6. These should be 6. We have 6. These are the lights themselves, and we have documentation. This is its controller with a button, adapter, very high quality wiring and everything. It feels really high quality. These are the lights. Like, this is the basic light. That's how it looks from inside it. This area where these clips will be installed. All right, let's install on this one. So like this. By the way, this is metal and this is metal and this is metal. So it's pure metal, very high quality. When you touch the light, you can feel the quality. If you want to install it on the wall, then you will remove this clip and this will be installed on the wall. That's how it's going to be. So in total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 lights, 6 clips, a remote control, and attached adapter and controller. The lights are made by aluminum alloy, so definitely IP65 waterproofing. You can install them outdoor because they are made to be installed outdoor. Very high quality. As you can see, they are connected with wires, and in total this length of this wire should be around 56 feet. First and foremost feature is this remote control. You install them and you turn on from their controller. The controller has a button here you can press, and after that you can just control it from this remote control. Okay, but if you are someone who is like me, who prefers smart things, then these are fully smart lights, and these are not just smart lights, these are RGB IC lights. What does that mean? In simple terms, it means that each light can be controlled and its color can be changed independently of the others. So there are 6 lights in total here. Each one of these 6 lights can be controlled independently, and each one can project its own color. They are totally controlled by a smart app. Their software is even updated from a smart app, and first time you install them, you integrate with the app. After that, you can control all these bulbs through the app. Inside the app, you have the option to not only change the color of each individual bulb or brightness of each individual bulb, or whether each bulb is turned on or off. You can control all that from the app, but also you can apply scenes from the app, and you can also group these bulbs to show different colors. So the app has a very large variety of customization options that you can try out on your own. On top of that, because these lights support Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can issue voice commands like, hey Google, turn on my outdoor lights, and your lights will be turned on. And you can say, hey Google, turn off my outdoor lights, and your lights will be turned off. You can also say for something like, hey Google, change the color of my outdoor lights to blue. So these kind of commands are also supported for Google Assistant and Alexa. One last and very interesting thing that is supported is music mode. So for example, if you have a function or a party in your home, and you are playing music and you would like all your outdoor lights to complement the rhythm of your music, then these lights are for you. They use the mic of your smartphone through which your smart app is connected with these bulbs, and they take the input from that microphone of your phone and then complement the rhythm of your music. So music mode is really fun, and I think you guys are going to really enjoy it as well. So these were the Lumary outdoor lights. Let me know what you think of them. So I will leave the link to buy these in my video description. There are even advanced versions of these lights on the Amazon store as well. So have a look at them and see if you like them. Take care of yourself. Bye.